Hey Trish, what's our resilience tip for today?
Today it's be a palm tree.
Cool. What does that mean?
Well, resilience is something that you come back from. You know, when we look at trees, the palm tree in a storm, it bends and it flows. But the trees we worry about in a storm are the gum trees, because when their branches snap and they land on your roof or your car, they do damage because they're resistant. If we are resistant in what's going on in our lives and we become hard-minded and try and tough it out, we can only resist for so long before we snap. Before we snap at our family, before we mentally have a breakdown, we've got to accept things change, and we have to go with them and be flexible like the palm tree. See, we sway like the palm tree, and then we can come back to the middle. Now, in the storm, they might drop their nuts, but they come back and they continue to bear fruit. When you're a palm tree, you will go with the flow, you'll come back and you will continue to bear fruit.
Okay, so it's being resilient is being like a palm tree and just going with the flow and recognizing that sometimes you just need to go with the flow and not resist what's happening.
Yes.
That's awesome. Have a great day.